Hey everyone, welcome back. If you care about privacy, blocking trackers is one of the most important things you can do online. In the Brave browser, this is built right in. In this full guide, I'll show you how to block trackers step by step in 2026. First, make sure Brave Shields is turned on. This is your main protection against trackers. Click the Shields icon and switch protection to aggressive mode. This blocks even more tracking scripts. Next, go to Settings and block third-party cookies. Yeah, this prevents websites from following you across the internet. Turn on fingerprinting protection. This stops advanced tracking techniques that identify your device. If available, enable global privacy control. This sends a signal to websites not to track you. You can also block trackers individually for each website using the Shields panel. Brave shows how many trackers it blocks in real time. This helps you see how much privacy you're gaining. Be careful with extensions. Some can actually increase tracking instead of reducing it. Always keep Brave updated. Yeah, updates improve tracker blocking lists and security. Finally, test your settings on tracking check websites to see how many trackers are blocked. And that's it. With these settings, Brave blocks most trackers automatically, giving you a much more private browsing experience.